Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to schedule WhatsApp calls easily. So to do that, of course, you have to head over to your WhatsApp. In there, you have to head over to your calls tab. Now go to the plus call icon and here you will find the schedule call option. So head over there. Now you can set your desired time or your date on which you want to schedule the call and from what time to what time uh, the call will start and end, and you can set the call type whether it will be a video or a voice call, so it will be started automatically. So once you are done setting all these, you can give a description also, or you can change the name of the call or anything you want, and then just tap on the paper plane icon and send it to any person in your contacts you want to have a schedule called to. You can also send it to groups so that you can schedule a meeting in this way. So yeah, this is how you can easily do it. Hope this video will help you out and let us know in the comments how it worked for you. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.